Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be going over yet another SPAC stock, and that's going to be OpenDoor. If you've never heard of this company before, basically what it allows you to do is sell your home without the middleman. If you've ever sold a home before, you probably know that the middleman, aka the realtor, is going to take a very large percentage of the total value of your home because of the fact that he or she is helping you to sell it. And this is basically what this company is going to do for you. But if you do it the traditional way, they're going to take 1% less than your average realtor, or you can sell it directly to the company and skip that fee altogether. You can also skip the inconvenient things such as showing and repairs, and you can do it all on your schedule because the company obviously doesn't actually need to move into your home at a certain time, so they'll let you do the sale on your time, unlike somebody who's genuinely trying to move their family into your old home. This is the clear market leader in this industry. You can see that they're over 4.4 times larger than their next closest competitor, so you don't really have to worry about anyone catching up with them, and they're actually quite innovative. I was just on their app just kind of checking it out, and it's very easy to use. If I were actually trying to sell a home, which I don't even own, I feel like this process would be much simplified from what I've seen of trying to sell a home through a traditional realtor. Talking about this traditional moving process again, I'll let you read through this, but you can see it's normally a pretty complex situation that doesn't always end up exactly how you want it to, and it also costs up to 12% of the transaction, which as you can see can be $30,000. That's not a little bit of cash. That's $30,000 that you could instead invest in this company. Compared to that very complex situation that you've just seen, this is very simple once again. From what I was seeing on the app, basically you put in your address, tell them a little bit about your home, they give you an offer, and you can accept or decline on the spot, sign off, and your home is sold if you really want to do it that quickly. Obviously, many people will probably take a little bit to think about it, but you can see it can take as little as 0 days on the market if you're in a rush. And once again, this is all on your time. Closing date is up to you, and fall throughs are 0% because once they give you their offer, they're promising you that they'll buy it for that amount. And obviously, your sale to a ginormous company is not going to be falling through. Really, at the end of the day, it's not about the small gain in fees that you're saving on. It's about the convenience of being able to sell your home on your own time as fast as you need to, and with a 0% chance of your sale falling through. People are very positive about their experience with this company. You can see that their net promoter score is 70% compared to the other three options for selling your home. If you look at this in terms of other categories, people with similar scores would be Netflix, Uber, and Carvana. Obviously, these are three very successful companies that are also likely some great investments. If we take this even further with these same companies, except for swapping out Netflix for Amazon, since obviously Netflix is going to be 100% online. But in terms of the amount of business that industry does online, OpenDoor has the very least so far. So you're investing in this company as the real estate industry is just barely introduced to the idea of selling your home online. If you look at who's become the most immersed in online sales, it's retail. And that company, aka Amazon, is obviously something that we would have all loved to be invested in the beginning. These are the types of possibilities that you're getting when you invest in OpenDoor. Once again, they're just in the very beginning of their process of expansion. They're only in 21 markets right now, but if you look at their plan, they plan to be in over 100 markets soon, with about $50 billion in revenue possible. And even at this rate, that's only a 4% market share. In a potential $1.3 trillion industry, I believe they could get even higher than a 4% market share as people learn to love this product and the simplicity that it brings to selling your home. This is a fairly young company as they just started offering their product in 2017, but as you can see, as time goes on, the market share naturally goes up for this company. I assume this is mostly by word of mouth. As more people sell their house using this company, they're going to tell other people about it, causing a ripple effect and causing more and more people to use this product. So, this company will have somewhat of a snowball effect as it goes on, and I think it will begin to grow exponentially. This is shown here on their financials. I won't go through all of them, but you can see that they're predicting year over year growth of around 40 or more percent in almost all categories. One of the most important categories here, though, is their profit margin, which their year over year percent growth is almost 100%. Once you have a great profit margin on your product, all you have to do is sell it, and I think that snowball effect that I was just talking about will essentially sell their product for them. All of this sounds great, but as you've probably heard me say before, none of this really matters if their leadership team can't properly execute this plan. Luckily, they have one of the most experienced leadership teams I've ever seen, with many people working for ginormous companies such as Amazon, Netflix, Square, Google, as well as upcoming companies such as Airbnb. These people have the experience necessary and they know what they need to do to grow this company to be a massive billion-dollar company. Overall, I think this is a great investment, particularly in the long term, and I think they have a clear road to success, along with a product that I know that people will love. If you did go on to enjoy today's video, leave a like and subscribe if you don't want to miss more videos like this one, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions for me. But other than that, I'll see you in the next one.